Good morning, kids!
Hello.
There's a big hole in the road.
Oh no!
What happened?
Dump truck, be careful! There's a hole ahead!
Oh my god!
Oh no! Dump truck's wheel got stuck in the hole! It tries to get out, but it can't. It's crying for help.
Bye, guys.
Crane truck.
Hey!
Just then, crane truck drives by. It lifts dump truck out of the hole.
Thank you very much.
Dump truck.
Dump truck brings a load of parts.
Wow, it's a nice slide.
Let's build together.
What are you doing? Let's go!
First, connect the body and the front.
Amazing. I like it.
Then,
It's
attach
my
the base.
time. Good job.
Yeah.
Next, add the tracks.
Cool. I got it. Okay. I like it.
The front roller and the back ripper.
It's amazing. Nice. It's a disappear. It's so nice. Look at this. I got it.
The road roller machine is ready.
What happened?
The roller machine breaks up the old road.
Stone crusher truck.
I like it.
Asphalt truck.
What are you doing?
The paver lays down a new surface.
It's amazing. Wow.
Roller truck.
Hi, guys.
And the road roller presses it smooth and flat. Great job, construction vehicles!
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time!